Stop losing your best ideas on the go. Just send a raw voice note to Telegram and AI will automatically turn it into a structured task in Notion. Building this scenario in Make.com takes less than 10 minutes. It's completely free and requires zero code. Let's set it up right now. First, open Make.com and add a Telegram bot module with the Watch Updates action. This is what will trigger the automation every time you send a message to your private bot. Click Create a webhook. Connect your Telegram bot under the connection field. If you don't have a Telegram bot yet, you can learn how to create one in one of my previous videos. The link will be in the description. Then click Save. Next, add another Telegram bot module. Download a file. To download the audio file found in the chat. In the File ID field, map the File ID variable from the Voice drop-down menu. If you don't see the Voice drop-down menu, send a voice message to your Telegram bot and run the first module once. To convert speech into text, add the Groq module and select Create a transcription. Next, we need to get a free API for Groq. Head over to groq.com, link in the description. Click API keys, then create API key. Give it a name. Click Submit and copy the generated key. Back in Make.com, click Create a connection and paste your API key. Toggle the file mapping switch from Telegram bot to map, and in the name field, type voice_message.ogg. Now, let's turn that raw transcript into structured data. Add the Google Gemini AI module and select Simple Text Prompt. We will instruct Gemini to extract the task title, priority level, category, a list of required action items, and a short summary from our voice message. The complete prompt will be available in the description below the video. After transcript, map the result variable from the Groq module. Next, we need to add a JSON module to parse the output generated by Gemini into individual variables. Select Parse JSON, and in the JSON string field, map the result variable from the Gemini module. The table where our tasks will be added contains the following columns: task name, priority, category, summary, and action items. Before adding the Notion module, we need to run our scenario once, so that the required variables appear in the JSON module. Make sure you already sent a test voice message to your Telegram bot. Now, add the Notion module and select Create a database item. To connect Notion to Make.com, we need to create an API key. Click the link in the description, click New Connection, enter a name for your API key in the connection name field, and copy the key. On Make.com, click Create a connection, select Notion internal under connection type, and paste your API key. To give Make access to our table, go back to Notion, click the three dots in the top right corner, navigate to Connections, search for your API key name, select it, and click Add to Page. Return to Make.com. In the Database ID field, click Search and select your table from the drop-down list, or search for it by name. Map the variables received from the JSON module to the corresponding database fields. Make sure to enable map for the category and priority fields. Now, let's record a short voice message in Telegram to test the automation. Hey, need to prepare the monthly budget presentation for the client by Friday. High priority, financial category. Also, remind me to check the Q3 analytics first. Click Run once and watch. Groq transcribes the speech, Gemini analyzes and structures the information. And a structured task with high priority, action items, and the deadline appears in Notion automatically. If this video saved you time, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what process should we automate next. See you in the next video.